By now, many of you will recognize the building behind me. For those of you who don't, or who are new to the channel, this is the headquarters of Wiha Tools USA. Now, Wiha USA, also known as Willie Hahn Corporation, has been proudly located in Monticello, Minnesota since 1985. Now, how we got to Monticello, Minnesota in 1985 is another story for another day. This is not a video about company history or about the wonderful state that we're in. I love Minnesota. This is a video about you. Now, first of all, what am I doing in the middle of this field? Well, when we built this building and wrapped up construction in 2024, the planning committee, architects, had the wisdom to make sure there was a nice outdoor area to go take a walk, blow off some steam, and it's populated with awesome native plantings. Also serves as a stormwater management measure. But back to the lecture at hand. This video is all about getting to know you, getting to know me. Who am I and why am I not talking about tools? Well, we will get to that in a second. My name's Bart Zienda. I have been working here at Wiha Tools since 2022. You probably recognize me from ads you've seen or from social media posts, dad jokes, you name it. I've been running our social media channels since then, since I started, and also been doing a hefty amount of video production, whether it's in the studio, doing tabletop photography and video of products, or at the track with the JDC-Miller Porsche 963. And like many of you have seen me at trade shows. Now, the next one I'm going to, I believe, is NECA in Chicago. That's super exciting. Stay tuned for that. But, you know, the other thing I wanted to talk to you about is, what do you want to see from this channel? Now, there's some boilerplate stuff that we simply need to tell the world about. Like, what are our new products? What are the features and benefits of those products? And what's on sale? Or where can you get our awesome tools? Now, we've got over 3,500 SKUs that we sell out of this warehouse and distribute to US and Canada, Central America, and South America. We serve all the Americas. Now, from your perspective, what else do you want to see on this channel? Do you want to be entertained? Do you want an inside look at how Wiha Tools are used in the field? We could do it all. You know, in the recent memory, I think the motorsports have dominated some of the longer form content. It's super exciting. We've been really proud to sponsor the JDC-Miller Porsche 963 for the last 3 years now. But there's a lot of other opportunities. Now, if you're in the trades, a professional who uses Wiha Tools in a you know, manufacturing environment or in your day-to-day job, like I've said before, I would love to get out to where you are and film Wiha in the wild. That's the ultimate goal. Now, travel's not always the most straightforward thing, but if you're out there making great content and have a story to tell, I'd love to be part of that. Many of you have met me at trade shows or simply in the Instagram DMs, but I am thrilled to see the energy that's coming from not only our loyal fanboys, as some folks may call them, but also the spirit and the energy from, you know, everyone from apprentices to people just getting started with their Instagram and YouTube channels. I think that's really cool because, you know, everyone hears about the 1 million, 2 million followers on Instagram and TikTok. I think that's phenomenal. Like, it is so cool to see folks in the trades balancing, you know, creating content and doing phenomenal work. I think it's really spectacular to watch, because for one, it gives you a glimpse at some industries that you may not otherwise have access to, and also it just shows you what's possible when you use the right tools. So I want to hear from you. Sound off in the comments. But before you go, you know the drill. Like, subscribe, smash that bell. I don't know, if you want to get notified about these videos that are coming out, you can hit the bell. But I'm not here to pressure you. I want to understand what's important to you, because after all, these are tools that work for you. So if we're not giving you the content that you want to see, well, you're probably not going to watch it, right? So let me know. But meanwhile, stay tuned, and be sure to follow us on Instagram as well.